Dodge. So I just got the Dodge, and the car salesman that sold me this car hit me up and said, you know, I got some content for you, got some new wide bodies in, so I'm here to check this out. This guy right here, let me see if I can zoom in. Soon as I pulled up, he come outside. He was just standing and looking, but I guess I was sitting in the car too long, so he sat down. He was originally trying to sell me a car, but anyway, y'all know I bought my car from Sam here. So if y'all in Fayetteville here at Crown Dodge and you looking for a car and you trying to get the best deal, hit up Sam. Hey, what's up, y'all? Currently I'm at Dodge because this guy. Hey man, say man. It's your favorite boy. Back in ooh, slime, okay. I see you, slime. You see it? It's the purple for me. It's the purple? It's the Hellraiser for me. Say it is? Hey, it's the Hellraiser. It's the car salesman. Yeah. You check your message? Hey, yeah, I check my message. Hey, we going up. We going up. I got you some business. Alright, I got you. Hey, he's serious. I'm the guy to talk to. For real. And I'm out here promoting you. Hey, this not free content, dude. We good. Yeah. Oh, you got the Jordan slides on. Come on. Nike no, them Nikes. Yeah, you know, get ready to go to work in a few. Oh, for real? Yeah, yeah. Oh, so you're not even going to the meet and greet? The meet and greet? I thought that was... That's tonight? Yeah. Oh. Listen, I thought they had the watching the video. Alright, so what you think about the bag? The bag? No, it's coming together. Oh, hold on. Okay. I gotta get the rear diffuser first. Right, I'm about to say. When I get my 5-inch tips. D-bash this. That's next. Tail light tint. Yes, sir. You might well take this off too. Take that off? Definitely taking crown off. Nah, definitely. They ain't paying me nothing. What you think? Nah, this is nice though. It definitely came together. Hey, wrap the roof and the hood, or just the hood? With the wrap that I kind of showed you. I'm gonna do this black. The hood. So just leave the hood black and the rest of it in the wrap? Yes, that would look tough. Alright. Okay. And shout out to Tony, cause you're not her favorite no more. I'm definitely her favorite now, so don't do that. I don't even think Tony watched my videos. Yeah. See, I'm plugged in. Definitely. I don't even think you do. But if Tony come through with that merch, I sent him my logo. Maybe about 3-4 days ago. I ain't heard nothing from him. He's supposed to be doing my rap. He's supposed to be rapping the hood for me. Shoot, let's go get this other content. Let's go see what he got. Let me grab my phone. So we out here. He about to give me some content. He said they got some new wide bodies in. How many you got? We got 4 now. 4 now. Because we did have 5, but one sold this morning. So we only got 4 now. So we got this one. That TH. I get the sticker price for it too. It's right there. SRT brakes and everything. And this one is a 6-speed manual. So for all the people that try to drive manuals, y'all can't find them. Gotta hit up Sam. Hey y'all, let me tell you what he do. He brought me out here to record it so he could beat them in sales. Yup. Hey, I'm living now. And then we got a shooter too. I checked that one out. I see y'all got the door unlocked. You supposed to have the door. Ooh, I didn't mean to say that. You supposed to have the door unlocked. It looked like it was unlocked. You gotta check. Hey, all I gotta do is hit up them boys from up north. They come snatch it up. Nah, we good. They come snatch it up. Let me see on the inside. No sunroof. No sunroof. But it's got the what you trying to do to yours? Yeah. This one I want to do to my hood. Copyright. Right? That boy gets millions low key. So we headed to the back. Headed to the back. To the secret location. To the back. Hey, only special people can get back here. I swear. You gotta have a special guest with you. Was you selling the car when I walked by? Oh. Well, it didn't go as planned.
Hey.
Oh yeah, just came in today.
Just came in today.
But it's already sold, y'all.
This morning, they came and signed the paperwork already this morning. Done.
No sunroof.
No sunroof.
Why y'all take the
Nah, we
little
let the customers choose.
Yeah, why y'all take mine off?
Yours didn't come with them.
Why not? So yeah, he didn't really sell me a brand new car.
Yours didn't come with it. You see, that one still got the
yeah.
It might get taken off when it goes down to detail. Shoot, all my V6s. Here go y'all GT Scat right here. GT Scat.
A GT Scat. Right here. That's it?
Yeah, GT Scat. Put you shout out to my boy Queese with the 5-inch tips on the GT. He got a GT Scat.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I forgot we got Durango RT too.
I don't want to see that.
What?
I don't want to see that.
I think that was the tow and go though. So it's got the SR2 brakes on it.
Nah, we don't care.
Oh, we don't care.
We don't care.
Y'all see that red one though? Oh yes, we back.
Who is that? You?
That's me. That's me. And I got some upgrades for y'all too though. We gonna show it after we show the Widebody, so I got some upgrades.
You said you're gonna get a Widebody kit?
I don't know yet. I don't know. It would be different though. Ain't nobody really seen that before.
You watch him in life?
44?
Yeah. You see his?
Yeah.
It look good. But I mean,
ain't ready.
You know, mine's built. Mine's built, not bought. You know.
Yeah, yours built like that. But nah, we got the blue one and the green one. FA green.
They got two new ones out here, y'all.
Two new ones, and they both pluses with the sunroof.
I'm gonna try to hurry up and post this video.
Alright.
And you said Andy's got the sunroof?
Sunroofs, and both of them.
Brand new, plastic still on it.
Plastic still on it.
Y'all don't have to pay that much now. Just get your talk game right.
Hey, you better talk right.
Nowadays, you can't really talk because these cars selling.
I promise you.
So if they say you walk, we don't need you. We ain't gonna chase you.
I promise you.
Still got the plastic on it.
Only person that can help you out is.
Only person that's gonna help him out is.
Oh, word. Word. Oh, we got another GT Scat too. Oh, yeah. You ever get the order your fog lights?
No, not yet. I'm just ready to order the route.
I got you. I already know.
Man.
I already know. That big gonna look tough.
I'm ready. Oh yeah, both of these do have sunroofs, y'all.
Both of them do have sunroofs.
Indigo blue, FA green.
Yo, ready to rock and roll. Come sign paperwork tonight.
He said tonight. They close at 8. But y'all stay open later if they.
If you here like at 7, we gonna make it happen. If we gotta leave at midnight, we'll leave at midnight.
Okay.
We gonna make it shake. Make it shake.
Y'all see it's pollen season. Y'all gotta clean these cars up.
We literally no cap. When I text you, I was pulling back in from lunch and I seen them pulling off the truck. So yeah, got the black one, that one, that RT, this one, and this one.
I bet y'all not even gonna have time to update it on the website like the last time.
No time. Now if we creating this content for the people,
you know,
the people of Fayetteville.
I might try to drop this video for you tomorrow. If you've been looking, I done uploaded 5 videos.
Yeah. Nah, yeah,
I've been grinding.
Been on your word. Getting the work. Now we can really. I see the upgraded hood. I'm definitely not. Definitely not. Hey, y'all see my COVID mask?
I see that.
I gotta stick with the COVID mask. This getting wrapped. I got a wrap coming that's about to be crazy. Never seen with the yellow. Shout out to my boy Frank.
Yeah, Frank put that wicker bill on.
Yeah, I know. Hey, y'all already know. No problem, boy.
Hey, is this short? It's underscore?
Yes. No.
It's short.
No.
You gotta fix that.
So, Tony, if you watch this video, it was supposed to be smooth Hemi, period, 345, not underscore. But either way, if you type in smooth Hemi, you gonna find it.
Cause people will hit me up, they like, I can't find him.
Yeah, it's smooth Hemi, but y'all don't see the red Charger. So if y'all see the red Charger, that's me.
Hit up Sam, y'all, at Crown Dodge. Look, they're not paying me to say none of this. He really do, you know, get you the best deals.
I promise.
Tell him Slime Pat sent y'all.
Hey, that's facts. Cause I'm the guy. I'm the guy to talk to. I'm the coolest dude in Fayetteville that's gonna get you into a car. No matter if it's a Nissan Sentra to a Durango Hellcat. TRX, let's go.
I bet you y'all can't get no wide body red eyes.
Who won? Oh, I got one of my boys already come to get it.
Okay.
He ordered, but he pre-ordered his in February. We just waiting on it. It's getting painted in the factory right now. When he shows up to get his,
let me know.
He already talking crazy. He talking about, hey, bro, you think they gonna call the cops if I do a burnout?
Tell him just do it out there in front of the road.
I say, bro, just rock out, bro. Rock out.
He trying to do a ride.
That's what it seemed like, but nah, his is tough too. His is tough. Nah, which stones is the one with the blue scat? This is called RC Durango.
The one that just left?
Yeah, that destroyed gray one?
Yeah.
He got everything in it. He got TVs, everything.
It sounds good.
Nah, yeah. So that one got, so you see it's got the turbo brakes on it.
I don't like them wheels.
Yeah. The stock chrome grill. We've been mad slow lately.
Matter of fact, you know what I could do?
What?
I could go live right now.
Oh yeah.
We get this out here.
Yep. Hey, but y'all go like, share, and subscribe on Slime Pat videos. That sun kind of hitting me, but
hey, that's good. It's good.
So y'all make sure y'all go follow her, follow me. We gonna put y'all on. Hey, Slime Pat family, we here all day.
Here, Ed. Let me get that logo on your shirt.
Oh yeah, Crown Automotive. Yeah, we here.
Check the drip.
Check the drip. Oh yeah, I came with the Vans on today. They dirty. See, yesterday I got something to see. I ain't gonna.
We about to go live though. So there y'all have it. For those of you that was asking about who my car salesman was, you got the video. I'm getting ready to head to work, but I'm gonna do a little riding first. Make sure y'all like this video, drop a green emoji or purple emoji. The video is over with, so you know, go ahead and leave those comments. And if you ain't subscribed already, then stop playing with slime.